9 types of hubo. 1. Mga feeling singer.
Cause the drugs never work. They're gonna give you a smirk. Cause they got methods to keeping you clean. They're gonna rip up your head, your respiration distress. Another curve in the mud, machine. They say, oh, teenagers can't believe the shit I love you. Hipos kahon! Hipos! Sorry!
2. The last one standing.
Do you like some drinks? It's okay, thank you. Asus, babae na siya. Dalita na mo po.
Excuse me, I can drink a river of beer but still look cute after honey. You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Ako English uy.
Guys, it's easy. You don't have to fight about it.
Unsa? Tagay na lang. Padagan nag-inom. Are you sure, honey babe?
Finish him! Flawless victory.
OMG, I think you're so adorable. We should definitely hang out next time.
Really?
No.
3. The heartbroken.
Bro!
Okay ka lang?
Okay ra ko, bes!
Wari ko'y lumipas ng
Abilog 5 years ago na to. 2 months naman mo.
Mau ganitong lain! Tapos pa akong pag-move on kaysa naging kami!
tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero
Isa
hindi
pa!
lang gusto
4. The party
Sa'yo na ba?
animal.
Ay, lagi ko.
Sige na, sayo na.
Tikani ko.
Dali lang man eh. Anak naman ako. Anak na ba?
Sayo na ba?
just a touch of
Let's have a kiki.
I wanna have a kiki.
Ain't no party like a house party, cause a house party don't stop. Don't stop, 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 don't stop.
Five. Lost na sa bao pero ganda rin.
When Jason was at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting.
Akong phone. Asa akong phone? Asa akong phone? Asa akong phone? Asa akong phone?
Asa akong phone?
Asa akong phone? Besh, wa man kay phone. Mo ba? Dugay na magito na wala imong iPhone 6 na dual SIM na 10K ra. Sorry.
6. Pala quickie.
Upa, kuy kita. Sige, 10 minutes na ha.
Ay. Fonzie! Diwa! Oh, oh no, oh no.
Need ba dyan na ito mo gamit, ani? Need lagi na to, ni. Sorry, di manggut ko sanay. Ayun na lang eh. Pero, ready na ko. See? Perfect! Bagay si Wang yun.
7.
Uy,
The spoken
ay,
dollars.
palabi ha? Mahubog na pagkaroon.
Di lagi best, uy. Ayaw ka bala ka. Aw, bantay ka ha? Sige, nalaka chikal. Wait, lang yun.
Uy, Besh! Noon sa naman ka?
Excuse me. I cannot understand any word. I beg your pardon. Ay, wow! Spoken dollars!
Uy, Besh ni mo oh! Pag-hi, uy!
Hi!
Uy! Ayaw pa nga na, uy! Mungita mong kag-away! Magreklamo gaya na sila sa ato ah!
I cannot understand. Magreklamo na sila sa ato ah! What's reklamo?
Reklamo ba? Karang, sige sa English ah. Karang, reclaim.
What?
Mabuti mo eh! Malak dira! Pakipagdumog dito!
I wanna go out.
Uy! Asa ba kamukad to? Pagpuyo diri kay gaulan sa gawas.
What?
Karang, sige sa English. Karang, it's raining outside. A red day? Ayaw lagi gawas ba? Dagag ubog oh. Madisgrasya gani ka na.
What?
Disgrasya ba? Karang disgrace. You'll be disgraced.
Oh, what is that?
Junk food.
Oh my god, it is so unhealthy that it causes fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Junk food is high in refined sugar, which exerts stress on your metabolism. Refined sugar causes increase to hormone insulin and prevent just spike in blood sugar levels. Based on such levels of carbohydrates and notice, loss of blood sugar suddenly after eat further increases your cravings for more junk food.
Ay, wow. Where did you get that?
Duh, stock knowledge. Hashtag small things.
Grabe, maka-bright man din mag-inom.
Oh yes, I would agree with you. Junk food is really bad for our health.
8. The drunk drunk.
Oh, asa man mo day? Sa New York nong... Ha? New York? New York Street nung ba? Agad subdivision. Ah, sige. Oh, nanataday. Ha? Paspasan nung oy. Murag wala late na nagliyok.
Aw, kinsa ha driver?
Ikaw nung.
Kinsa hubog?
Hoy, di mi hubog nung oy.
Sige daw be, spell fuchsia.
Joke ra nung oy, hubog biya mi. Sakit akong ulo. Uy, tabang sakit akong ulo. Pila man nong? Aw, 500 ra day. 500. Day! Shh. Besh, 500 daw. Besh! 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 Huy, bugtaw, huy! Besh! 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 Huy, Besh, bugtaw, huy! Ay, nung hubog man ako kauban, uy. Ako na lang bayad, nong. Libre na lang nako.
And 9. Blackout.
Uy, akong bed!
Day, bugtaw na, day.
Bis!
Tag na si Best na makarelate or share kung ikaw guilty.